Racing just started. We have key lagger. Break quickly at the start. Moving a party outside. Mana mana. Lock of the Iris Malarin cut. Mogul while Mika's pride is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have key lagger. Mana mana is on the outside. Irish Smile is down on the inside. Lock of the Irish. Larin cut. Then followed by Mika's pride. While Mogul now racing less, and as they swing down the back, we have Key Lager by about half length. Mana Mana in second, moving up, luck of the Irish Smile, Latin Cut, then comes Mika's Pride, while Mogul still racing less. And at the fourth turn, we have Latin Cut takes the lead by about ahead, moving up now the outside is luck of the Irish. Key Lager drops back in third. Next on line is Mana Mana Irish Mile. Mika's Pride while Mogul still racing less. And Diana entering the home stretch. Latin cut luck of the Irish Mile now coming closer. Down on the inside finds some opening. We have Irish Mile Latin cut moving up on the outside is luck of the Irish Smile by a link. Latin cut in second, luck of the Irish, and finally is Irish Smile. Latin cut, luck of the Irish, then comes Mogul.